Hello, and welcome back to English from Zero. My name is Alex, and I am your teacher. This is episode 2. In the last lesson, we learned how to say hello, goodbye, and how to introduce ourselves. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn how to say no and how to ask questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. In episode 1, we learned, I am Alex. But what if I am not Alex? What if my name is different? We use the word not to say no. Listen carefully. I am Alex. I am not Alex. Now let's practice with another example. I am a teacher. I am not a doctor. Repeat after me. I am not a doctor. Good. Now let's try with he and she. He is a student. He is not a teacher. Repeat after me. He is not a teacher. Now, she is a doctor. She is not a nurse. Repeat after me. She is not a nurse. Excellent. Now let's learn some new words. These are jobs and feelings. Listen and repeat after me. Teacher. Student. Doctor. Engineer. Happy. Sad. Tired. Hungry. Wonderful! You are learning so many new words. Now, let's learn how to ask questions. In English, to ask a question, we change the order of the words. Listen carefully. You are a student. This is a sentence. To ask a question, we say, Are you a student? Repeat after me. Are you a student? Good. Now let's try with he. He is a doctor. Question. Is he a doctor? Repeat after me. Is he a doctor? Now with she. She is happy. Question. Is she happy? Repeat after me. Is she happy? Perfect. Now let's practice answering questions. Listen to the question and then listen to the answer. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Or, no, I am not a student. I am a teacher. Now another example. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is a doctor. Or, no, he is not a doctor. He is sad. Now let's practice together. I will ask you a question, and I want you to answer in your head or out loud if you are alone. Ready? Are you a student? Good. Now another question. Are you happy today? Now a harder one. Is he a doctor? Yes or no? Excellent. You are thinking in English. That is wonderful. Now let's have a short conversation. I will say each sentence and you repeat after me. Hello, are you a student? Yes, I am a student. I am from Spain. Are you happy? No, I am not happy. I am tired. Oh, I am sorry. Goodbye. Goodbye. Fantastic. You just had your first English conversation with questions.
Now, let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned how to say no. Remember the word not. I am not a doctor. He is not a teacher. She is not a nurse. We learned how to ask questions. Are you a student? Is he a doctor? Is she happy? And we learned new words: teacher, student, doctor, engineer, happy, sad, tired, hungry. You did an amazing job today. I am so proud of you. Now, I have a small task for you. This is your homework. I want you to write 2 sentences about yourself in the comments. 1 true sentence and 1 false sentence. For example, true, I am a student. False, I am not a doctor. Or, true, I am happy today. False, I am not tired. I will read your answers and guess which one is true. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing your questions. Ask yourself questions in English. Ask your friends. Ask your mirror. Ask your cat. The more you practice, the better you will become. I will see you in the next lesson, where we will learn about things around us. Goodbye for now, my friend. See you soon.